$7.50 million they are fundraising, and I'm so excited to join here. If you say that why, because of their maybe you can get over $1,000 from this airdrop. So however, just testing their website, you don't need to do anything like crazy type of thing. Just use their blockchain, interact with their blockchain, swapping, bridging, stacking, as well as following social media, and that's it. You already know what is testnet is. So however, what you need to do is just add their Chrome extension, Initia Chrome extension inside of the inside of your browser. Okay, what you need to do is, here is I already put on, if you notice, I already put on here Chrome extension link. So what you need to do is just click on there and come into here. What you need to do is, here is a Chrome store you have. So just click on Initia Wallet app on inside of your browser, and after that install this app inside of your browsers and create a wallet, and that's it. So what you need to do after doing that is app.testnet-initia.xyz, this link that I am showing you, this on second on that I put on inside of this app. So just click on that, and that link will bring you inside of here. Okay, so here what you need to do is connect. Okay, I'm showing you that you need to just connect this, click on this connect button, and that's it. So click on this connect button, and here is Initia wallet, and if you install this Initia wallet, it will be bring you inside of here. So however, I've already installed. If it is too problem, so do these things over and over again. So it's doing problem because it's just immediately bring me inside of the Chrome browser, but I don't want to go Chrome browser, I want to go inside of the Initia browser. Okay, so it is loading. Wait a minute here. So maybe okay, so it is loading. Okay, however, we are entering the testnet very slightly. So click on this connect button, and here is you are seeing that Initia wallet. So what you need to do is in order to join their okay, so if you noticed here, very exciting, very fast, secure, that my wallet already connected, if you noticed here. So very exciting thing. So however, what you need to do is now just interact with the website. So you don't need to maintain anything. Like if you do swap on, you will get some XP point, and that XP point converted into an Initia token, while it will be goes into mainnet. However, so the more you do these type of thing, the more point you will get and the more money you will make here. So however, here is task on is getting faucet. How do you get faucet? Click on that faucet link. That faucet link will bring you inside of their another website, where you need to just put your maybe address, or just click on. Okay, so here is connect with Ethereum wallet for humanity, but so click on this MetaMask. That MetaMask will so it may be like just proof humanity. I haven't any proof humanity here, so if it is not work, sorry for that. So however, I'm trying to do that. Sorry, unlock your MetaMask. I'm trying to my first on account because it is used most of the time in my life. Maybe it has. Okay, verify proof of humanity. I already have humanity. Oh man, humanity score is Discord score is 0 eligible. Okay, humanity score has, but I didn't yet connect my Discord. So click on your connect Discord, and what you need to is here is just click on this authorize confirmations click button, and that's it. Nothing else, nothing complicated here. So okay, every day I win because I already make over $600 $800 from doing airdrop, and you know I lose those money. But anyway, so, and I'm trying to make again this type of money, and I will invest this money now. Okay, so if you want to stay with me, come into here. I will definitely help you to getting money. So Here is your score is too low to use the faucet, visit Gitcoin passport and get some points. So wallet, so if I click on this verifying, maybe I'm not getting this type of faucet, but however I will do this anyway. So I'm pausing here in order to getting some point. Okay, so wait a minute here. So here what you need to do is just you need to have Gitcoin passport. What is Gitcoin passport? That is just they want to make sure that you are either man or you are either doing scam like spamming on their website. So if you have Gitcoin passport square over 20, they write down here my one is 3 just it doesn't work. Okay, but I will show you how you can join, don't worry. Okay, so what you need to do is connect here your wallet where you have Gitcoin passport. Okay, you need to prove that you are a human. So if you don't have, how do you get? So click on this Gitcoin passport and Gitcoin passport website will be pop up where I have some specific task that you need to accomplish in order to get the square of humanity. Okay, sign in with Ethereum, connect your wallet with MetaMask, and here you will see your point. So I have 3.08. Whether you connect where you connect, like wherever you connect your wallet, this wallet, your point is 3.08 humanity point. Okay, so if you want to get more, what you need to do is like Ethereum. This is the task. So if I click on this term here, what you need to do need to have in order to getting 16 point. So here you need to get Ethereum into Swift. Okay, you need to always like doing something about Ethereum, like frequently you do it about Ethereum. This type of like if you used Ethereum most of the time through your wallet, it will be work for you. So Ethereum at pocket represents a higher level of commitment and activity. Okay, so this one, Ethereum Maxi. So here is I spend more than 0.25 Ethereum on gas fee. If I do click and click on this verify button, maybe I didn't do that yet. Okay, so here is yeah, that is right, verification failed. I didn't do this because I didn't use Ethereum by this wallet. Okay, so if you have this criteria, you can do that. If you don't have Gitcoin passport humanity square yet, so do this task. Here is a couple of tasks as I just did fundamental task basic like connect Discord, Google, LinkedIn and trust labs. So this type of task and I get 3 point over for doing that, and therefore sorry I'm not getting faucet from this airdrop. And what I need to do is let me uh, so I'm going to their website again. So here on inside of their website where their task is existent, where you need to accomplish your task. So step by step. So let's say we get posted. Just assume, okay. So let's say we done this work, getting posted task on. So task 2 is buy and assign an initial username. So what you need to do is click on this link. If you get faucet, great. Congratulations to you in the inside of the initial airdrop. I don't have. I need to spend a couple of years for doing that. So what you need to do is connect your initial wallet here. Okay, all the time use one wallet. While you participants testnet use one wallet in every area. So first your domain. Let's say my name is here. Um, let's say MD Ranga and search Ranga in it. So zero in it here. My no balance to pay fees. So it's free, but you need to pay cash fee for in order to get this domain. Okay, mdrangga.initial like init, then like mdrangga.com. Here is mdrangga.init. So Immediately click on this buy button. You have buy button here. I'm showing you. You will have buy button here. I haven't. Sorry for that. Okay. So after doing that, come back again inside of this task, and everything is step by step. You don't need to worry about anything at all. But I will share with you update about Initia, but I'm not going to join in this airdrop anyway. So I will do try later. If you have, if you are enthusiastic about joining in this airdrop, watch this video and join. Very simple. There is no complicated thing. Easy. It's like water. Okay. So swap one initiate to USDC, Ethereum, or any other like token, any fucking just use their website. So click on this task number 3. What you need to do in order to accomplish this task is it will be like open an onboard where you will have like this button. I like this thing, okay? Because so like I don't need to spend any fucking uh, any money, real money, just faucet I need to use. So if you get faucet, the game is for you. So let's say you get 30 initial, you want to do initials, but I haven't. If you have, immediately your button will be pop up like do so. Maybe here will be pop up. However, I don't have yet. Just do that. After doing that, what you need to do is come back over and over again. You don't need to maybe watch this video. Just come back again here and go to stack initial with a validator. Number 4 task. Okay, very easy and straightforward. So now what you need to do here is stack their faucet inside of their blockchain. Okay, how much init will you provide? So here we just how much init you want to provide in order to stack. Okay, so let's say I have 30 initial faucet, they will provide each day I want 10. Okay, so your button again will pop up here because I haven't any freaking faucet. I have 0 faucet, therefore I cannot use this thing. Sorry for that. If you have, come back, do it. Okay, so come back again after done this work, but I will suggest you do every task. If you do swap, do every token as you as much as you can do. Okay, so after task 4 is done, now task 5 is take init LP with a validator. Okay, so click on this 5 number task. That every task like number 5, while you click on there, the path they will show you where you need to go to stack or to swap. Okay, here is which asset will you stack. Let's say USDC and init. So click on there, and let's say I have I already swap up two initial into USDC, and let's say I have a couple of USDC. Let's say I have 20 USDC. So your button will be pop up here. Here is 80% of USDC will swap to mass to 8 pool ratio. However, I haven't. While you do that, it will pop up the button do stack. Okay, I haven't. Sorry for that. So what we'll do, it's every task is very simple. If you don't face any problem, just move your price like down or up, and that's it. So, and I will suggest to do as much as you can do, like just not to USDC. After click on like back button, click on this Ethereum and do this Ethereum provide liquidity, and click on back button again. Okay, click this back button, click on the TIA initial. So do as much as you can do. Okay, so click after again here, what you need to do is claim staking rewards. So after a couple of years, couple of hours, you will get some reward in order to doing stacking and provide liquidity. So click on this take task 6 number. So failed, no reward is existence now. and your work has been done. So this is the work. You don't need to do anything you know crazy amount of thing. So this is the work. Okay, so you already done their main work. So what you need to do, I will show you. So your work has done here. Okay, so you already done every work. Now what you need to do is going to Glax and complete the Glax task, the quiz platform. The Glax is quiz platform here is. So go to Glax and done all of work. Okay, so and another thing I want to add here is as much as you can do. Okay, if you do uh, if you do little bit, you will get little bit money. If you do more, you will get more money, because it's up to your persistent, nothing else. So if you enjoy this video, if you feel boring this video, both are like, if you feel procrastination, if you feel excitement, feel free to write down comment and do subscribe and do like. See you later in the next time. Until that, happy hunting.